BluntCut MetalWorks, June 2022. This is Spyderco Endura zdp189. I just received. I'm going to test as received. I suspect the edge probably about 20 degrees precise, and from the information on the internet, it's probably about 63 and a half Rockwell. And so we'll see the initial edge here. Okay, it's smooth, very sharp. So we'll, and thickness behind the edge probably pretty, it's not bad because it's flat grain. And just guessing right now, it's probably about 18 pounds. Anyway, standard test. This is antler tips, and I'm going to test at this point up here. Okay, and see, it should pass this test because the angle I expect is pretty thick. You can see something a little off right here. It's a little intact though, so it's good. But I'm going to push it to do the other test, because I mean, for save your work, this is beef rib bone here, and we'll see if it can do this. I will reprofile it with the thinner at the less lower angle, I guess. That may mean. I consider it as a pass. It's a little rough, it catch a little bit right there. But I didn't tear the paper. So it's smooth, and then it's not so smooth, it's rough enough. Alright, we'll see. Now we'll test the wear resistance. zdp189 is chromium steel, basically carbide steel, so it would be decent wear resistant. This is going to be a challenge with this hump here and with my setup. Alright. Dead like doornail. Okay, it make, I would say 5.5. Okay, let's generous give it 6 cut of 3. So it died at 18 inches. The width of this thing is, I call it 1 inch. So It died 18 inches. I will, reprofile and make this thinner, but we'll see when we'll retest it. Maybe we'll do it at 15 degrees psi, and we'll do that test again. Alright, I reprofiled this, thin out the edge. Oh, scratch up, not pretty anymore. A lot thinner behind the edge, and then put a 15 degrees psi using an Edge Pro. And then grid the 600 diamond plate with a little dull plate, but it's okay. It will smoothly cut. And I would start in the reprofile with a little bit more thin edge than that, but so they can pass this test. I mean, when I sharpen it, I would test a little bit. But anyway, 15 was the one that looked like they can pass without complaining too much. Tiny, I mean, I can feel tiny bit, but beyond that it's passing. So it won't pass below 15 degrees psi, but at 15 degrees psi pretty good. Last time when I was cut at high degree, when I cut this, have a little microchips, so no point cutting this one. I don't want to ruin the edge. The idea pretty much is I will sequence display and test later on and see, probably you're going to shoot it for 65, 66 Rockwell or higher, I mean, and then using this edge, this kind of edge, and see how low, what the lowest degree, and also how the wear resistance going. So let us see. My sharpening wear resistant is instead of factory. Okay, so I make knife cut. So 27 inches, and it died. Just for compared to that the previous video, I mean, for the lower the steel, that lower one, I got it somewhere. That I think it was an M2. Yeah, this one. An M2 at 66 Rockwell, and this thing got like 30 something cut, 36 inches, I believe, as I recall. So ZDP should have done better, but this thing was at I think 12 degrees psi, but I don't think that the degrees changed that much, and well, the thickness behind the edge have some effect, but again, it's not that much, because this stuff is, when the edge pack, even though it's when it gets smooth out, it won't get cut. So, and this thing is, it's not stiff, so there's not much wedging. Anyway, at some point later on, we'll make a video of after this blade gets sequenced using BluntCut MetalWorks technology. Thanks for watching.